Hello dear children, Saira. Welcome back to Social Studies class. Today we will continue with chapter number 14, Delhi. Now children, already we have learned that Delhi consists of two parts, right? One is New Delhi and another one is Old Delhi, right? Now in previous class we have learned about Old Delhi. Okay, all the constructions, monuments that are located in Old Delhi, we have learnt about them. In today's class, we are going to learn New Delhi, right? New Delhi was built by the British. So all the government offices, okay, all the government offices of India and Delhi are located in New Delhi. Followed children? All the main offices of the government of India are located in New Delhi. Now children, who is the President of India? Yes, can you recall the name? Who is the President of India? You have already learned. Yes, you can see the image. See this image? Yes, identify the name. Shri Ram Nath Kovind, right? Shri Ram Nath Kovind is the President of India. The President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay, you have to remember this name. Rashtrapati Bhavan. In Hindi we call Rashtrapati. President is called as Rashtrapati. Okay, this is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is the image of Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. It has one of the most beautiful gardens called the Mughal Gardens. Okay, what is the name of the garden? Mughal Gardens. See this. This is the Mughal garden. You can see flowers, rose flowers. Yes, this is the Mughal garden. Now children, this is a very simple question. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Yes children. Who is the Prime Minister of our country? Let's see the image. Yes. Who is he? What is his name? Mr. Narendra Modi. You have to remember, okay? You have to remember the name of the Prime Minister of India. The Prime Minister works for the people of the whole country, right? The Prime Minister's office is in the South Block. Other departments, there are so many other departments, right? Other departments of the Indian government work from the buildings around the South Block. Okay? Other departments work from the building that are located around the South Block. Now children, view this image. You have seen this image in chapter number 4. Do you remember? Can you recall the name of this image? Yes, this is the Parliament House, right? Parliament House of India. The sessions of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha are held in the Parliament House. Sessions means you can say meetings or discussions. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, they are the two houses. Okay, they are the names of two houses of the Parliament House. Now children, you will learn in detail about the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha when you will go to higher classes. Now you just have to understand that the sessions of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha are held in the Parliament House. High commissions and embassies. The government of other countries have offices in Delhi. They are known as high commissions and embassies. Yes, children? Did you understand the meaning of high commissions and embassies? High commissions and embassies means the government of the other countries that have offices in Delhi. Okay? Followed, children? Other countries having offices in Delhi. Those offices are called high commissions and embassies. You can see here US Embassy, Embassy of Greece in New Delhi. All these offices are located in New Delhi. British High Commission, New Delhi. Followed, children? These are the offices of high commissions and embassies. There are more than 100 offices, okay? Offices of the other countries, which are known as high commissions and embassies. In 1991, the Union Territory of Delhi came to be known as the National Capital Territory of Delhi. It has now a legislative assembly like the other states of India, headed by a chief minister. Now, Delhi is an union territory, right? But it also has legislative assembly like other states. Now, India has 28 states, right? All the states, they have their own legislative assembly. Now, see here, Delhi Vidhan Sabha. Vidhan means legislative and Sabha means assembly. Followed? Now, Vidhan, or you can say legislative, means the assembly that has the power to make laws, or you can say rules and regulations. Followed? They have the power to make rules and regulations for their own state. Followed? So, in the same way, Delhi, though it is a union territory, it has a legislative assembly and it has a chief minister. Now, who is the chief minister of Delhi? The chief minister of Delhi is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Followed? He is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. He is the head of the Legislative Assembly of Delhi. Followed, children? He is the head of the Legislative Assembly of Delhi, known as the Chief Minister of Delhi. Now, children, let's do a small exercise just to recap what we have learned in today's class. All the main offices of the Government of India are located in, yes, children, are located in New Delhi. Followed? You have to learn all this, okay? You have to learn all the points. All the main offices of the Government of India are located in New Delhi. Then the President of India lives in, yes, just try to remember, the President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Followed? The President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. You have to learn the spellings also, children. Followed? You have to learn the names and you have to learn the spellings. The Rashtrapati Bhavan has one of the most beautiful gardens called the, yes, it has one of the most beautiful gardens called the Mughal Gardens. Followed, children? The Prime Minister's office is in, yes? Can you recall the answer? Can you remember? The Prime Minister's office is in, yes children? It is located in South Block. Followed? The Prime Minister's office is in the South Block. Other departments of the Indian government work from buildings around the, yes? Other departments of the government, Indian government work from the buildings around the South Block. Followed? The sessions of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha are held in the dash. Yes? Can you recall the answer? What is the answer, children? The answer is Parliament House. Now, children, you have to learn the spellings. Okay, spellings are very important. You have to learn the spellings. The government of other dash have offices in dash. Yes, children? Try to remember the answer. Try to recollect the answer. The government of other countries. Okay, the government of other countries. I have shown you the map, right? The names of other countries. Do you recollect? Yes. The government of other countries have offices in Delhi. Followed? Which part of Delhi? It is New Delhi. Okay. The officers of the government of other countries are known as dash and dash. Yes, do you remember? They are known as what? They are known as high commissions and embassies. Followed? You have to remember the names along with the spellings. In 1991, the Union Territory of Delhi came to be known as the dash. Yes, children? What is the answer? National Capital Territory of Delhi. Followed? National Capital Territory of Delhi. Delhi has a dash like the other states of India. Yes, children? Delhi has a dash like the other states of India. It has a legislative assembly. Assembly that has power to make laws. Okay? It has a power to make laws. Delhi is headed by a, yes, Delhi is headed by a chief minister. The chief minister of Delhi is, what is the name of the chief minister of Delhi? Yes, children? Yes, we have learnt in this session. Just try to recall. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. So today we have learned more about New Delhi. In the next class we will learn the remaining part of the chapter. Okay, children? Now what you can do, you can write all the points in your rough notebook for your reference. Followed? You can write down the points in your rough notebook, and the words that I have underlined, you can write them 5 times, and so that you can remember the spellings. Okay? So meet you in the next session. Thank you, children.